Okay, I'm gonna get replace the gear on the motor, power window motor in Mazda 04. There's the motor. You know, you can probably spend about $120 for the whole piece over here, but actually you don't need the whole thing. The only thing you need is this piece right here. This gear, that's what you need. And I'm gonna show you how you replace this piece over here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna lay my phone in here. Well, actually, hold on. Okay, well, you gotta open it up. Just take your screwdriver. Sorry, I did not get a position over here. Take your screwdriver right there and pop it up. There you go. See how they open? You just gotta go around on it to get the whole thing. Open it up.
¡Chavo, loco!
¿Quieres ver nuestro balcón?
There you go.
¿Nuevo?
Nuevo.
Yes, it is. Right here. Right there. Right there. See, it's missing a teeth right here. And also right here. So what you're going to have to do, take this piece off. Sorry. Alright, I'm going to have to lay my phone on the side real quick, okay? See if I can get a phone. Right, there you go. Alright, well, take this piece off. Make sure you're laying it the way you remember. It's supposed to go back in there. And it's another black piece in here. Take this piece off. And the gears come out. It's hard because it's got a grease on it. There you go. Alright. This has come off. Then you put the new one back in. Alright. See, this is how it's gonna look like now. Then put this black piece back in here. Alright. Then you slide this piece on the top on it. There you go. This should be it. Put it back together and I'm done.
¿Dónde la puerta?